Hello and welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to buy Visa gift cards online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening a web browser in order to buy Visa gift cards online. Once you do that, go to the search box and type in Visa gift card and press the enter. Click on the first link that you see, and this will take you to www.giftcards.com. Sign into your account if necessary, and once you are done, go to eGifts from the top of the screen. Here are the list of gift cards displayed that you can buy using your account. The Visa gift cards are loaded with a set amount of funds and can be used for multiple purchases for as long as value remains on the card. Click on the gift card you want to purchase, and once you do that, you'll be taken to a next page where the value of the card is displayed at the right corner of the screen. You can select the delivery time by clicking on either right away or in the future. If you want to order it right now, then click on right away. If you want it to deliver to you in the future, click on in the future option and select the date from the calendar. Scroll a bit down, enter the recipient's full name in the first text field. Now, type in the email on the next text field. Confirm the email by retyping it again, and if you have any messages, you can go ahead and type it in. After you do that, click on the next step. On the next page, you'll be able to review your order. Go ahead and check if everything's alright, and if you want to make any kind of changes, then you can click on Edit Details and go ahead and make a change. After you do that, click on Add to Cart. Scroll all the way down on the next page and you'll be able to see the number of amounts you'll need to pay in order to get this card. Click on Proceed to checkout, or you can continue shopping by clicking on Continue Shopping. On the next page, you'll need to provide your billing information. Type in your credit card number in the first text field, and on the next field, enter your expiry date. Now, enter your CVV. On the next field, type in your name as it appears on the card. You can click to save your credit card for future purchases by clicking on this box. If not, leave it as it is. And under billing address, go ahead and type in your address. Once you do that, type in the name of your city on the next. Choose your state from the drop-down menu and enter the zip code for your state. And lastly, go and type in your phone number in the text field. Now, click on the box that appears at the bottom right, and by checking this box means you've understand and agreed to the terms of use, privacy policy, and the electronic communication agreement. Now click on I agree at the bottom to receive email updates and offers about giftcards.com products and services. Finally, click on I'm not a robot and click on complete order. After you do that, you'll be able to receive your gift card in your email in the particular date that you selected. That is how you can easily buy Visa gift cards online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.